Greetings, Eddie Man Flores, um, Sir Frank, niece and nephew, mother and father, Flores family, Saladin family, and all in YT. Ate, I just want to thank you for your encouragement and always reminding me how important it is just to keep striving, no matter what, and just always, be there for others. And I've learned that, since I first became co-host on the live stream, your live stream, and I just remembered the how you introduced me to people and how you encouraged me to reach out to others and make them feel welcome, and I continue that to this day. I just want others to feel like they have a shot. I want to see them become successful. And so I feel that it's important to always don't forget where you came from. Family's important, and always share knowledge with others. I did my cooking class today and yesterday, and I dedicated to Papa Francis. He taught me so much, and I'm extremely grateful. And so I dedicated the class to him and you and the entire family. I love you all, and always remember that I'll always be here. We will always be here for you here in Minnesota with love.